In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to propose a new time in Google Calendar. Sometimes life gets busy, and the original meeting times just don't fit into our schedules. Thankfully, Google Calendar offers a straightforward way to suggest a new time for a meeting, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Calendar. Open up your calendar and find the event that you'd like to reschedule. Click on the event to open its details. This is your starting point, so take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct meeting or event, because you wouldn't want to propose a new time for the wrong one. Once you have the event details open, look next to the RSVP options where you typically see buttons like maybe or yes. You'll notice a small arrow, which could be either a down arrow or an up arrow depending on your view. Click on the arrow to reveal more options. From the expanded menu, you'll want to choose the option that says propose a new time. This feature allows you to suggest an alternative time that works better for you. It's a useful tool for collaboration and ensures everyone can attend and contribute effectively. After selecting propose a new time, a calendar interface will pop up. This is where you'll choose the new date and time for the meeting. Be sure to check your schedule to avoid any conflicts and choose a time that you think would work well for the rest of the attendees. It's always a good idea to have a couple of alternatives in mind, just in case your first suggestion doesn't work for everyone involved. Once you've picked the new time, you'll have the opportunity to add a message. This is entirely optional, but providing context can go a long way. Explain why the new time might be more suitable, or mention any conflicts you're avoiding. A short, polite message can make the proposal clearer and ensure smoother communication between you and the event organizer. Finally, to complete the process, you'll need to click Send Proposal. This action will send your suggested time to the event organizer, who then has the choice to accept or decline your proposal. It's as simple as that. Remember that communication is key, especially in professional settings. By proposing a new time, you're making sure that the meeting can happen at a time that suits both you and potentially the rest of the participants as well. Google Calendar's user-friendly interface really simplifies this process, providing a seamless experience from start to finish. So next time you find yourself with a scheduling conflict, you'll know exactly what to do.